Now, all hydropower plants in Tanzania are being switched off because of lack of rain. Rain has led to low water levels in the country's dams. Now, hydroelectricity generation in Tanzania has fallen to 20% of capacity, making it difficult for the dams to operate. It is the first time that the East African nation has closed all hydro plants, which generate 35% of its electricity. Now, the power crisis has been made worse by problems at new natural gas plants. An energy ministry official told the BBC now only 24% of the mainland Tanzania's population is connected to electricity services. Last month, 3 new gas power plants in Dar es Salaam were turned on using gas pipe from the south of the country. Take a look.
Come on.